Today, we're looking at a locomotive that changed the face of American railroading, the EMD GP7. Introduced in 1949 by Electro-Motive Division of General Motors, the GP7 was EMD's first true road switcher with a hood unit design. It was powered by a 16-cylinder 567B engine producing 1,500 horsepower and featured a BB wheel arrangement, making it ideal for both freight and passenger work. More than 2,700 units were built by 1954, and they proved immensely reliable. The GP7's modular construction and rugged mechanics meant it could be easily maintained and later rebuilt. Many went on to serve as GP8s or GP10s well into the late 20th century. Its versatility, ease of maintenance, and sheer durability made it a favourite across North America. Several examples survive today on heritage lines, including the very first GP7, C and NW1518. The GP7 wasn't flashy, but it was revolutionary. It helped end the steam era and established the template for diesel locomotives for decades to come. If you enjoyed this look into railway history, please like, share and subscribe for more expert insights into classic locomotives.